Hey guys, what's up? I thought everybody is online, so I should come online as well. How is it going? Hi. Hey Rajiv, what's up? I thought every day, why should we just be sitting in pajamas? Ashish, Ashu. So, gotten ready just to sit in the living room. Mukesh, what's up? Yes, I know it is very, very boring. Looking hot in isolation. Rajiv, thank you. It's very, very boring sitting at home, but we have to do this. I mean, that's the least we can do for our country, for our loved ones, for the people that are around us, to sit at home. I mean, before when we were supposed to go to work and go to school and college and everything, we used to crib कि नहीं जाना है, घर बैठना है. अब मौका मिला है घर बैठने का. So, Arijit, you give me your OTP first. I think you should. By now, you should message me your OTP. I'm just sending something across. कैसे चल रहा है आप सबका क्वारंटीन? मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लकी, नन्नू, यू आर लिटरली टुगेदर. मैं पूछ रही थी कैसे चल रहा है आप सबका क्वारंटीन. मेरा तो बहुत मजेदार चल रहा है. मैं पहले भी घर से नहीं निकलती थी और अभी भी मुझे निकलना नहीं है. तो आई एम जस्ट हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन लर्निंग अ लिटिल ऑफ कुकिंग एंड माय बेसिक एक्सरसाइज इज क्लीनिंग द हाउस. माय पेरेंट्स आर नॉट इन टाउन, तो मैं अकेली रहती हूँ. सारा काम मुझे करना पड़ता है, फ्रॉम कुकिंग टू क्लीनिंग टू एवरीथिंग. तो मजा आ रहा है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक it's something new, because as actors there's a lot of time in life that you're used to sitting at home and you're used to not doing much, and I like my own company. I like being by myself, so this is not very difficult for me. But I know for some of you out there who live by a timetable, who I've always lived by a timetable, and like doing things at this time and that time and all of that, it's a little difficult, but stay strong. Download all the video call apps so that you can talk to your friends, talk to your family. I chat with my family every day because my entire family is not in town, and it's very scary for me because if they were in town, either I would be with them or they would be with me. But right now it's just scary, difficult to know that my mom, dad are and my brother and my bhabhi and my nephew are not around, not in the same city. So that's a little scary part for me, but other than that, I'm coping pretty well. And I want to tell you all that there are so many people out there fighting for us. They're staying out so that we can win this battle, and the least we can do is stay at home. So please, ghar baitho India. Cash, what's up? Yes, I know I love black coffee. Yeah, so my parents are alone back in Allahabad. Oh, I know how it feels. That feeling is really weird that, if I would be in the same city, I would totally be with them, or they would be with me, or something like that. I mean, I've been living alone for a while, but at such a time I would love to be with my family, but they're not here. And I feel like they are safer not being here, and they are safer being wherever they are till the time this lockdown is done with. I don't want anybody to be traveling in these 21 days. Let's follow what our PM has said. Let's follow Narendra Modi ji, and I'm sure he knows the best, and he's hoping for the best for all of us. So let's do this much from our side. Hey guys, should I get somebody live with me? Pankaj Moon. We fix a time every day and get together for a meal or chai. Style jar. Meal chai. That's so cute. Unfortunately, Canada and India time is very difficult and different for chai. So I'm unable to do that. But yeah. Amir, what's up? Yeah, it can be quite crazy. Actually, it's really, I get really anxious and paranoid when I wake up thinking that my entire family is not here. But I think everyone's just safe and everyone's being safe and responsible at this time and staying put wherever they are. So that's a good thing. The only bad thing is I have to cook my own food and I don't know how to cook at all. तो मैंने आज पोहा बनाया. That was a task. But I make eggs. I make that's it actually. I make eggs, toast. Yeah, I know your boyfriend must be baking you a lot of cakes. I wish our show would have happened and I wish I could have come to Delhi and we would have gone through with the show. But once all this is done, we will. Rahul, the restaurants of the city are missing you. I know, I'm missing the restaurants too. I can't tell you how much I'm craving sushi at the moment. And anything from outside, any restaurant, anything that I'm not cooking myself. I eat cornflakes for breakfast because I don't know how to cook. I'm fed up. And Maggi noodles. So I've bought all the noodles. The first day I bought Maggi noodles and I had it. I didn't know I had to stock up, and then when finally I heard that I have to stock up, by the time I went to the general store, there was no Maggi. So I ended up picking up Ching's. I ended up picking up Top Ramen. I'm gonna try every day. I'm gonna be trying a different kind of instant noodles, and I'll tell you which one I like the best. So far, Top Ramen is winning, guys. Just letting you know. Cornflakes. Yeah, that's what I'm having every day. Cornflakes. Should we go live with people? Okay, let's try this. Pooja Agarwal at Wasabi guys looking for you. I'm looking for wasabi as well. Don't do that. Hi Pooja. How are
Do you remember me?
Of course I remember you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Are you missing Starbucks and missing going to coffee shops?
Oh, then we should plan once again.
Once this lockdown is done, we should.
Yeah, then once it's finished, we'll plan one.
How are you?
Please
How
come
have
up
you
with some contest. I'm being good.
been? How sweet.
Please
What are
come
you
up with
doing?
some contest soon.
100%. I will come up with some contest and make sure you win again. So what
Most
have you been
probably I
doing?
should win. I'm doing good.
क्या कर रहे
So
हो
you are
quarantine
coming
में?
when with any shows?
I'm doing a film. I don't know now about the release date, but it should be
Oh,
releasing on 17th of July. It's called
wow,
Chehre.
that's great.
Chehre. So
Chehre.
yeah, we finished filming for it. It has Amitabh Bachchan ji, it has Imran Hashmi, and me.
Wish you all the best for it.
Thank you so much. How cool.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Okay, how do I do this? How do I have to? Okay, thanks for helping me. Say go, Corona, go. Corona, go. Go, Corona. I was just sitting at my balcony and watching the sunset. I honestly enjoy watching sunsets. They make me really happy. And usually I would have my cup of coffee now, but I've already had a coffee in the day and I don't want to overdo my coffees because there's literally nothing to do with so much energy. Okay, let's try getting somebody else on a live chat. Let's see. Kavu! Streak you fall has declined. Okay, requests are from Chalo, let's try. Our very famous. Hi, Nami. What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. My
How
God,
is
I'm
the
seeing
thing?
everyone today after a very, very long time. How is it going? How is quarantine
Going good.
treating you?
It's work from home.
Yeah, you're working from home?
Yeah. It's work from home to get ready after we are done. 21 days.
I dress up to come to my living room. That's
So
the
how
fun
is
life.
How is the 21 days?
I'm enjoying it. I'm honestly enjoying it, and I'm not, thinking about it too much because if you think that I can't get out, it plays on your mind. I literally never got out before quarantine, so I don't know what I'm so worried about. There's nothing to be worried about because I never got out before, so I'm not gonna get out now. It's not gonna make much of a difference.
Okay. So
And how's it going with you? How is Bangalore?
Bangalore is on 55 cases. There were 3 more cases today, so it's coping up well, I guess.
Mumbai is beating you guys.
Yeah, I saw. But recovery is also happening for few people, so
Yeah.
that's a positive,
Yeah.
like good
Touch
sign.
wood. I guess if everyone just goes and gets diagnosed sooner and gets cured sooner, and before it reaches the worse stages, I guess it's just better if everyone just goes and gets it all figured and treated earlier.
Yeah. So what all did you
Chalo.
like to cook now?
Basics, just basics. Finally, I made poha today, but usually just eggs and toast
Okay.
and Maggie.
That's all.
That's all. I've been eating this every day.
Not bored of eating the same thing because you've been going to restaurants to eat.
Good. It's a good detox for my body also.
Okay.
I have cornflakes in the morning sometimes because I don't feel like cooking eggs every day. Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Chalo, cool. I will see you soon.
Bye.
Hopefully, once all of this is done.
Yeah, sure. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye. So that was Namrata for us. Let me just switch on some light because, yeah, okay. Yeah, so that was Namrata for us. She has been really cute and been around for a very, very long time. So our constant supporter. And what's up, guys? Tell me, how is it going? How is quarantine treating all of you? Any stories? Any questions? What have you all been up to? That's so nice. I'm reading all of your messages. Everyone's just saying hi, what's up, say my name. So glad I have so many people online at this time to chat with. I honestly just saw everyone online and doing chats, and I was like, why not? There's literally nothing to do. So, chatting. Is there going to be season 2 of Fitrat? Here's hoping there's going to be season 2 of everything now. because thanks to staying at home, I don't think anyone's filming anything anymore for a while at least. Fitrat was fab. Oh, thank you so much. Please add us in the live video all the way from Zambia. Oh, wow. I thought let me do hands-free, but it's not working out. I'm from Algeria. Did you know that? No, I didn't. Let's try some filter. Ah, that's so cute. Any TV series I recommend? I literally recommend only Fitrat. Please watch Fitrat if you haven't already. I enjoy watching it again and again if I can. Hey Nandini, sing us your favorite song. I can't sing. So many people have tagged me in that Antakshari thing and I just can't sing. Did you guys play without me? Yes, Ishi, we played. Sorry. Where did you go? We'll play again at night. So literally all we are doing all day is video calling our friends and chilling at home. Nandini, I swear I can't sing. I swear I can't sing. Mushi! Hello! One more of my video caller friend. This is all we do, guys. We just call each other and catch up and literally have no new news for the next day because we've all been at home. Ruchika! This is so much fun. But yeah, I was really bored, so I thought let me come and do a nice little live chat since I'm ready. Ready for my living room. Outfit of the living room. Okay, let's add some people. Go live with Mushi. Wanna come live? Let's see. Mushi!
You know, I was wondering why you're not seeing my request. And this is the first time coming live, dude.
Arey wow!
I was like, nothing to do. What's Christo doing?
Christo is doing live chats, dressed up for the living room.
But it's nice. First thing I noticed is, what are you like? You're fully dressed just to come to the hall, right? That kind of thing. Nah?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. I'm in no such aspirations of wearing. I'm just relaxing, chilling.
So yesterday I was feeling very low because I was sitting in pajamas all day, you know, watching
Yeah.
TV
Yeah, it
and in
takes
the
its toll,
dark
yeah.
room because I'm not somebody who opens curtains. So I was
Yeah.
like, listen, tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to have a shower, get ready and do nothing, but get
But
ready so that I feel active.
I think it's a very good thing to do. Actually, it kind of pumps you up and you're like up and about. It's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's actually a good
I'm
thing.
so alive. Other
Yeah.
than pajamas and with my hair tied up and looking like a shabby thing, I just feel like so thanda.
Well, I was like
There's
saying
one
hi and I was
Ektu who's not our Ektu who's saying hello. But we're saying hello. Bye. Pearl V Puri. Hi.
is that the real Pearl V Puri or it's not Pearl V Puri at all?
I don't know now with these so many
Yeah,
accounts.
actually, yeah,
Yeah.
So anyway, I think you have many people in the chat room, babes. I all are dying to talk to you, I presume, and I don't want to come in the way. I'm sure they all would want to push me out
We'll
of
do
the live.
video
They say,
chatting
go.
later.
They say, go away, go away, go away. We want to talk to her. And all
Karuna,
that.
go!
You
Go,
take care,
Karuna!
babes. You
Okay,
take care.
we'll
Have a
chat
good
later.
we'll
Bye.
talk to you.
Love
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye.
That was mushy. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. Hey guys, hey everybody, hey King Prajit Desai, Mr. Nike, hey Nagma Khan. Okay, so any of y'all have any questions? Y'all can ask me now. Or I'm just going to do D'Souza, Leria. That's cool. Even my surname is D'Souza. Okay, let's try another. Go live with. Go live with. Let's try this. Oh, sweet. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai,
Oh,
Vikhroli.
you're from Mumbai as well.
Yeah.
How nice. कैसा चल रहा है क्वारंटीन? घर पे
हाँ,
बैठना मजा आ रहा है?
हाँ
मम्मी से काम करवा रहे हो?
नहीं नहीं
खुद भी कुछ काम कर रहे हो?
कर रहा हूँ।
अरे वाह, मैं भी सारा काम खुद ही कर रही हूँ अभी।
अच्छा
मजा आ रहा
अच्छा
है। अर्जुन बिजलानी, हाय बोल। हाय।
अच्छा, we'll play a game.
Okay, let's play. Wow.
I'll give you two options. You have to choose one.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Movies or music?
Movies or?
Music.
Movies.
Movies. Okay. Indoor or outdoor?
Indoor. I'm enjoying quarantine.
अभी तो इंडोर ही मतलब चल रहा है।
हाँ, और मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है।
अच्छा, और स्लीप या फिर फूड?
फूड। मुझे नींद की जरूरत नहीं है।
वेरी गुड।
फिलहाल मुझे सिर्फ रेस्टोरेंट्स की याद आ रही है।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
और डॉग या फिर कैट?
डॉग। मुझे डॉग्स बड़े पसंद है। You tell me, dog or cat?
Dogs, of course.
Dogs, of course. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay. India और London?
India.
अरे वाह, सही जवाब। How cool. Hindi music या English music?
Hindi. For now, Hindi.
For now, Hindi क्यों?
I used to listen English. Now, Hindi.
हाँ, वो होता है ना, फेजेस होते हैं लाइफ में। कभी कभी इंग्लिश सुनते हैं, कभी रॉक म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, कभी रोमांटिक म्यूजिक सुनते हैं। अपने लाइफ के फेज के साथ हम गाने भी चेंज करते हैं।
आपके हॉबीज बताओ।
मेरे हॉबीज? वाह, आप तो मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो। मेरे हॉबीज एक्चुअली बहुत सारी फिल्म्स, बहुत सारे शोज देखना है। मुझे पेंटिंग करना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और या आई थिंक दीज आर माय हॉबीज।
कूल।
घर को साफ रखना। मुझे अच्छा लगता है साफ सफाई करना। ठीक है, कूल। I will see you soon, Manav.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you.
Same here, really nice talking to you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
बड़ा ही कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है एक अनजान पर्सन से बात करना। लेकिन जब ये क्वेश्चंस इतने तैयार हो तो इट्स मोर इंटरैक्टिव, इट्स मोर फन। Okay, I'm gonna add somebody for the last live chat. Let's see, who do I add? Okay, wait. Let me add. Okay, last. I'm Prashant Sagar. Add me please. अच्छा, जो पहले मिला मैंने उन्हें ऐड किया।
माचिस माँ माचिस खत्म है।
I saw you when you came to Veg Non-Veg Tourism. Okay, I don't think this is working. What is this? Oops. Okay. Damn. Why is my... Oh, wait. Okay. Messed up there. Okay. I don't think anything is working on my phone anymore. I'm not able to touch it. But guys, thank you so much for joining my impromptu live session. I had a lot of fun interacting with you all, and it's always fun to meet all of you personally, face to face, and have a chat. My final request to you all, as usual, I have come with a request. Please stay at home. Please listen to what the officials are telling us, and all we have to do is sit at home. It isn't that difficult. It's honestly something we all crave for throughout the year. So let's just sit at home and be the heroes and save our country by just sitting at home, watching TV, chilling, eating, spending time with family. You guys have the privilege to spend time with family. I don't. So see you guys, and please stay at home. Please stay safe.